Duh! Because this place actually isn't a dump, but it sure is extra spooky, which says a lot considering there aren't any ghosts here. Don't know what you did, but
I can't wait to add this into my scrapbook. I know I shouldn't just borrow a car, but it's so cute I can't help myself. I like you, Mr. Monkey. You're not mean like Mojo.
How are you today? Oh, nothing much. It's just Squirrel Appreciation Day. And here I am having to clean up this mess I created. My latest experiment blew up and sprayed jelly all over Bikini Bottom. Watch it. I'm sorry. Squidina, coming through. Look out. I need an extra pair of hands. Your turn, intern. Come on, brother.